If you need to cancel your Afterpay subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Afterpay website or open the Afterpay app and log in using your account credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile or menu section of the website or app. Step 3. Find subscription options. Look for a section labeled subscriptions or payment methods. Here, you will find details about your current subscription status. Step 4. Select Cancel Subscription. Click on the option to cancel your subscription. You may need to confirm your decision by following any prompts or providing additional information. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After submitting your cancellation request, check your email for a confirmation message from Afterpay. This will ensure that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Afterpay subscription. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Afterpay's customer support for assistance.